guys, today we'll talk about how can you change language on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do now, you just go down here, you click here on more down here, and just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click on language here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here can you select language in this list here. So like you see here, there is a lot of languages. Can you select it in here? You just click on any language, then you click here on update now. So then it's going to add with you or change language with you here on your app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like